Let's get these cables out of the way. Move those tiles over here. Check the level on the scaffolding.
All right, let's get those tiles aligned perfectly before we start dismantling the scaffolding.
Yes, ma'am. Working on it now. Keep it level on the edges. Hand me the polisher. Looks perfect. All clear now. Let's pack it up.